Alright, today we're gonna do the filter. Here's the part number. Here's the tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need a 13mm socket, short, flashlight, 1/2 inch ratchet. I'm using half inch. And one 18-16 socket. And a new clip to go under the top. Filter cup that goes around the cup. And the filter housing with the filter inside. So make sure you wet it up so it's at very bad skin. Okay, your DF would be, the DF filter would be right here behind the DF tank on the driver's side. You're gonna need your 13mm ratchet, the socket, and just take one. This is a DF pump, filter housing with a filter inside. These are your DF fluid lines. Make sure they're not leaking, crack or anything, and they are secure. These are your coolant lines. Make sure they're secure and not leaking. All that is good. Take your socket. This is the 1 inch 18-16. Here and there. Take it loose. Just like that. Alright. There's something under there which could leak. You got a piggy mat under. Sleeve in there. Take it off. Take it down under. Stick it in, make it feel good. Like that. Spot. So get a rag hanging around the surface up top. In here too. Now get your new filter. Crack it open. Just wait first. Lube. Get your filter. Put a little lube on the O-ring. Never install it dry. O-ring might leak. Push it back in there like that. Now get your sleeve. You don't need the lube inside, you need it outside in order to spin in the put it on top, lube in there, and push it out. This go first. Don't try to put it as a one assembly. So put it here first. Don't put it here first and then put it up. And you get a little bit of loop, get it in there. Just remember, you're gonna spin this and this. So you need no friction there in order not to damage that. That's that. There's an O-ring here. Little bit of loop, just like that.
go. Starting on my hand. All the way up. Just like that. And then you ratchet with your socket. Just snug it in there. Doesn't have to be super tight. It's aluminum with rubber, okay? Just like that. And you get your shield there. And that's how you do the filter on the Freightliner Cascadia.